Okay, I want to show you guys, for those technicians who don't have high technical equipment, I want to show you how to remove this connector from this cable. So what I need to show you lock way on how to remove this PVC connector. Just simple way, just replace it here and move it. Simple. That is how you can remove the PVC connector on this cable. Yes. What I need now, I need to connect. I need to place it back to this LCD connector. This LCD connector, I need to replace it back where it was before. So I have to turn on my gun, local gun, just a normal equipment you can use to resolder this PVC connector on this LCD cable. So place it here and take your PVC connector and place it here. Then make sure everything and every point is connected. Shida ni screen haipo sasa hivi. Safi. There, and this is how you can place this back. Now you can see it is connected successful.